Hey, it's Becca with Rebecca Reed Creative, and I create a lot of Squarespace websites, but I'm actually going to give you a Showit tip. I just started developing Showit sites, and I really like the user face that they have in the experience. I personally think Squarespace is maybe a little bit easier, but honestly, they're both pretty great, and they both have awesome customer support. But enough about that. I'm going to go on to the tutorial. One thing that I encountered with Showit that really confused me was I wanted to copy, I use a template, so I wanted to copy a certain canvas or a certain aspect of that page and put it on a different page. And so when I did that and I made changes to my new canvas on my, new about page or whatever, it made that same change to that same canvas on the home page. And so I'm going to just walk you through how you can make that not happen. And it's this canvas with these 3 photos. And I want to do that same sort of deal over on my homepage. So what I need to do is figure out which canvas this is right here. So I go to page, and it looks like it is the info grid. So what I do is I go up and I click copy, and it'll copy that whole canvas. Then I'm going to go over to home. Not sure what's going on here, but we'll deal with that later. And I will paste the canvas into here. Right here, paste info grid above. All right, so I now have that info grid, but if I make any changes on this page, which I want to make this completely different, I just wanted the layout, it'll do those exact same pages on my past page. So what you need to do is go over to this little dot, and then you convert to page canvas. And this will make that canvas unique so that this page will not affect the other pages. So I hope that helps you. So if you like this video, just make sure to like it and send it over to your friends, or hit subscribe, and any questions or comments can go in the comment box below, and I'll be sure to try to answer. Thanks.